Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to quickly enter BIOS configuration on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. So for this guys, I am going to show you two easy and quick methods. So first method is this guys, you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard, so it will quickly open the settings. In these settings guys, here click on system and in the right panel scroll down. Here you can get the option recovery. Just click and open it like this, and then here you can get the option advanced startup. So just click on restart now like this, and once again confirm this. Just click on restart now. It will quickly open the BIOS configuration menu on your screen. Okay, now see this is the first method. So one more method is this guys, press Windows key button like this and click on power menu option like this. Now hold shift key button from your keyboard and then click on restart. Okay, now it will also take you to the BIOS configuration menu. Okay, so this is the two easy and quick method to open the BIOS setup on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.